Hello and welcome back to all of you, my beautiful peeps. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY table for your garden. I'm going to be using some milk crates, tiles that I have laying around that I have not been using for some time. And when you're done with this table, you can take it anywhere you want to take it. You can take it inside your house, you can take it to the beach, anywhere in the yard, because it's going to be mobile. So what really happened is that I just finished setting up this area where I'm standing in right now to start my fall seed garden. But I realized I didn't have a table in here to work with. So now this is what I'm going to be doing to make my table. Okay, so right here I have 2 milk crates and I stack them on top of each other. If you don't want to stack both crates the same way, you can even turn over this one and let it look like that. So instead of just having a table, you can have a 2-in-1 where you can probably keep some tools if you come out to work. Your little watering jug you can put in there, and maybe even a little container if you want to start some seeds, because I don't know if you know that there are some seeds that require darkness for them to germinate. So you can put the seeds in there, and then you are going to put the top on your 2-in-1 table. So here are some tiles that I have not been using for some time now, and I'm just going to put it on top of my crates like that. And there I have my DIY 2-in-1 table. It is as easy as 1, 2, 3. You can take this to the beach. All you have to do is just lift up your your tile, and put it in the back of your truck, your car, whatever you're driving, and you just throw your crates in there as well, and you take your table wherever you want to take it. Crazy me, right? You can't blame me, because this channel is all about creativity and repurposing things that you have in your household already, so you don't have to spend a lot of money. So now I am going to take my seed here and I'm going to start sowing my seeds. But that is going to be it for this video, because if you want to see the seeds that I'm going to be sowing, you have to watch the other video that will be coming up right after this. Okay, so please go ahead now, comment down below, let me know what you think about my 2-in-1 DIY table that I just made out of 2 old milk crates and a tile that I was not using. Well, that was just thrown down in the yard. I know this video is very short, and yeah, I like it like that. So going forward, like a lot of the things that I'm going to be doing in the garden, I'm just going to be sharing it with you. If it's if it's 1 minute, I'll do it as a short, 2 minutes a short, maybe 3 minutes a short, but up to 5 minutes, yeah, I'm going to be sharing it with you. All right, so once again, thank you so much for stopping by today again. Thanks for all of my returning subscribers, and for all of my newest subbies. Gosh, golly, guys, I really and truly appreciate you. All right, so let me just go and get busy now to do the other video to show you all the seeds that I'm going to be putting in for my fall garden. So, ciao. I'll see you soon in that video. Adios. Bon voyage. Hasta la vista. Bye-bye.